Hello everyone, welcome to Small by Tales. Today, we'll share a story that helps you make one of life's biggest choices, when to start your own business. It's a crucial decision, and without careful planning, it can be risky. Through this story, we'll discover what kind of preparation is truly needed before taking that leap. And we'll also learn some new English words and how to use them in sentences. It's the perfect mix of life lessons and language learning. So stay with us till the end for an insightful journey. In a small, bustling town lived a hard-working 30-year-old man named Liam, a man full of dreams and determination. During the day, he worked as a salesperson in a local company, and at night, he became a corn dog seller at the town's busy food market to support his wife and 2 children. Though passionate about his business, Liam felt trapped by exhaustion and limited time. He wanted to expand his menu, but was constantly weighed down by the stress of his demanding office job. The thought of quitting to focus on his business began to take root, but fear held him back. What if the income wasn't enough to sustain his family? One Sunday, on his day off, Liam took his family to the countryside to visit his elderly parents. After spending some warm, joyful moments with them, he decided to take a walk around the village, where he met Mr. Robert, a friendly local farmer who had once been an office worker but had successfully transitioned into running his own business. Seeing him gave Liam hope, so he approached and said, "Excuse me, Mr. Robert, do you have a moment to talk?" Mr. Robert, busy collecting eggs, welcomed him warmly and immediately noticed Liam's troubled expression. Curious, he asked what was wrong, and Liam shared everything: his work stress, his dreams, and his desire to resign, but fear of failure. Understanding Liam's worries, Mr. Robert smiled kindly and said, "Liam, before leaving your job, there are 7 things you must think through carefully. Success comes from preparation, not impulse." He began by explaining the first and most important point: take small steps. Many people fail because they start big without experience, like trying to fly a plane without training. Some open large chicken farms without ever raising 1 chicken, or launch cafes with huge investments without testing small sales first, and within a year, they collapse. Start small, he said. If you can sell 1 corn dog, try selling 3. When you succeed with 3, go for 10. Grow gradually, not just in income, but in experience too. This first piece of advice opened Liam's eyes. Then Mr. Robert continued, "Second, compare your incomes. If your side business already covers your family's needs, that's good. But remember, business earnings go up and down, unlike a salary. It's safer to resign only when your business income is twice your family's monthly expenses. That cushion will help you stay secure during the transition." Liam nodded thoughtfully as Mr. Robert went on. Third, have an emergency savings fund. Save enough to cover at least 6 months of expenses, ideally a year. That way, you can focus on your business without constant worry. After a short break, they sat under a shady tree, enjoying coffee as Mr. Robert continued. Fourth, he said, you must learn to manage your business properly. It's not just about cooking or selling, it's about marketing, timing, and consistency. Learn from others, from social media, and from experience. Don't rely on luck, rely on knowledge. Liam listened closely, his confidence slowly growing. Fifth, Mr. Robert continued, is determination. Running a business requires strength, patience, and perseverance. You'll face competition, unstable sales, and challenges. You must stay strong. Then he added, sixth, make sure your side business is stable for at least 3 months. 6 months is even better. Stability shows sustainability. Never resign before reaching that point. Finally, Mr. Robert leaned back and said, seventh, understand the risks. Learn about your market, your competition, and your challenges. By understanding risks, you can minimize losses and increase profits. When he finished, he looked at Liam and asked, "So, are you ready to resign?" Liam smiled and replied, "Not yet, Mr. Robert. I'll think carefully about all 7 points first." Mr. Robert nodded approvingly, proud of Liam's thoughtful approach. That evening, Liam thanked him sincerely and promised to apply the lessons he had learned. Through this story, we learn that before taking a big leap, we must prepare wisely, start small, and build stability step by step. And remember, learning English can be fun and meaningful when you combine it with inspiring stories like this. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep growing. Don't forget to like, comment, and share how this story inspired you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next story, where we'll continue learning together.